Hey, just wanted to share a little tip on how to make your own little makeup remover wipes. If you're on the road traveling and maybe need a week's worth of makeup removing pads handy. I personally don't like the store-bought ones so much. I don't like how they smell. I don't like how my skin feels. So it's actually really quick and easy to make your own. And you know what the ingredients are if you know what the makeup remover is that you use. I just use one of these little mason jars, and I take a stack of little cotton pads. You can get organic cotton ones too, which is really nice. Put those in the jar like that. And then I just take some makeup remover, pour it over the cotton pads. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it to be swimming in liquid, otherwise it's harder to use them. But that's it. Then you just put a little lid on and voila.